What is Real-Com mode? Real-Com mode is recommended when your host PC uses legacy COM-based software and needs to connect with multiple RS-232 serial devices. This mode treats all SN serial ports as if they were directly connected to the PC and allows data to be transmitted securely over a network. How to configure Real-Com mode? The following procedures use SN3002P as an example. 1. Using an UL modem cable, connect the SN serial port 1 to a serial device. 2. Using an Ethernet cable, connect the SN's LAN port to your local network. 3. On a host PC, use IP installer utility to discover the IP address of the SN3002P. 4. Using a web browser, enter the SN3002P's IP address, and log in. 5. Under Serial Ports, click the Edit button of port 1. 6. Under Properties, configure the necessary serial communication settings to match with the connected serial device. 7. Under Operating Mode, select Real-Com from the drop-down list. Optionally enable the Secure Transfer option if you want the data to be encrypted and transmitted securely over a network. 8. On the host PC, install ATEN Virtual COM port driver for Windows or Real TTY or Fixed TTY driver for Linux or Unix. 9. Run ATEN Virtual COM port driver for Windows and click Enumerate Targets to automatically discover SN3002P within the same network segment. 10. If SN3002P cannot be discovered, you can add it manually by entering its IP address, selecting SN3002 from the Type drop-down list, and then clicking Add Target. 11. Once added, double-click the SN3002 entry to display its serial ports. 12. Click port 1 to map it with a certain virtual COM port of the host PC. Once successfully mapped, you will see COM1 in the list of mapped COM ports. How to test Real-Com mode? Using PC1 as your host PC, with ATEN Virtual COM driver installed, and PC2's COM port as a serial device, presume the settings of SN3002P on the driver have been properly configured, as mentioned in the previous section. 1. On PC1 and PC2, use PuTTY, a third-party utility, to configure their serial communication settings. 2. Using the PuTTY on PC2, you can enter any text to test if it can be received by the PuTTY of PC1. Thanks for watching SN3000 series Real-Com port.